In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your presentation using the presenter view for a seamless Q&A experience. This tool is especially useful for engaging your audience and ensuring your presentation goes smoothly without any interruptions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your presentation file. Make sure everything is set and you've reviewed your slides. Now, here's a little trick to get started with the presenter view mode. Navigate your cursor to the top menu bar where you'll find the slideshow option. Just beside it, there's a little downward pointing arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Presenter View. Go ahead and click that to enter the Presenter View interface. This mode allows you to privately manage your slides while keeping your audience focused on the main content. Now that you're in Presenter View, you'll notice several tabs at the top. What we're interested in is the Audience Tools tab, which is usually nestled somewhere along the middle of your screen. Once you locate it, click to switch over to this tab. You should now see a Start New button available. By clicking Start New, you're launching a dedicated Q&A session for your audience. This feature is an incredible way to foster interaction by allowing your audience to submit questions easily. As you initiate this Q&A session, a special link appears at the top of your slides on your screen. This link is crucial because it's your direct line of communication with your audience, so make sure to share this link with them. It enables them to effortlessly submit questions in real time without needing to disrupt the flow of your presentation. As questions start to pour in, you'll see them populate directly within your presenter view. This is an excellent feature because it allows you to decide which questions to address in the moment. Next to each question, you'll find a Present option. Click Present to display a selected question on the main slide, making it visible to your audience. It keeps everyone in the loop and encourages transparency during your presentation. If you've addressed a question or some aren't relevant to the broader audience, you can click Hide to remove it from the display. Finally, when you're ready to wrap up the Q&A session and stop accepting further questions, simply toggle off the session option located again within the Audience Tools tab. This way, you maintain control over the flow and focus of your presentation, ensuring you stick to your schedule while engaging your audience effectively. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll transform your presentations into dynamic, interactive experiences, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps so you feel confident during your next presentation.